జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
59th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం లోహితాక్షాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, యువర్ ఐస్ ఆర్ రెడ్ లైక్ లోటస్ ఫ్లవర్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ లోటస్ ఫ్లవర్. That redness comes out of happiness. That happiness comes out of when we become happy, you feel so happy. That is why your eyes becomes red. Oh Srimannarayana, I surrender to you. Om Lohitakshaya Namaha. ఓం లోహితాక్షాయ నమః. శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ says to every one of us in Bhagavad Gita, Ma Suchaha, do not cry, I am here to take care of you. Taking that assurance from Sri Krishna Paramatma, visualizing that we are under the protection of Sri Krishna Paramatma, let us now do Narayana Namasmarana. Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.